In the world of manufacturing, precision, efficiency, and safety are paramount. Today, we're exploring a game changer in the metal fabrication industry, the CNC press brake. CNC, or computer numerical control, is an automated machine tool controlled by a program. It's revolutionizing the way we work with metal, offering high automation, reducing labor intensity, and ensuring high precision and stable quality in part production. A CNC press brake is a specialized tool that bends sheet metal into various geometric shapes. It's equipped with a frame, a ram, a work table, a hydraulic system, a synchronization system, a control system, and more. Press brakes come in different types, each with its unique capabilities. They're widely used in various industries such as construction, automobile manufacturing, home appliances, and communication equipment. Operating a CNC press brake involves several steps, from wearing proper safety gear to understanding job requirements, setting up the machine, installing and inspecting tooling, loading, running a test, starting the bending process, inspecting the workpiece, and finally, shutting down and cleaning up. Compared to manual press brakes, CNC press brakes offer higher precision, speed, efficiency, and safety. They're also more flexible and capable of handling complex bending operations. CNC press brakes are transforming the metal fabrication industry, enhancing accuracy and productivity. If you're looking to take your manufacturing process to the next level, a CNC press brake might be just what you need. At ADH, we're here to help you choose the right press brake for your needs. Contact us today or visit our product page for more information. Thanks for watching, and remember, the future of manufacturing is here.